Today guys, sasamahan ko kayo sa isang kakaibang unboxing na meron natin dito, which is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Art Edition. This is a special edition na nilabas ni Tecno for this variant. And I'm really excited to know kung ano nga ba meron dito sa Mondrian Art Edition. And kita natin sa box pa lang, sa presentation pa lang, ang ganda na niya. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So hi guys, I'm the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're just going to simply make an unboxing nitong phone na ito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ganda nitong edition na ito. And we have already previously unboxed and reviewed the regular edition ng Tecno Camon 19 Pro. I'll be posting a link up there. Check na lang. And of course, here is the unboxing. So kita natin, the box is kakaiba. It's quite big. Probably one of the biggest box na nabuksan natin for a smartphone. And kita natin na it's a Camon 19 Pro by Tecno, and it's being collaborated with the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston. So, dito sa gilid, it's a Muse Design Awards. Then, moving over to this side, ganito ang color niya. And on this side, wala naman masyadong special print. And at the back, well, simple lang din siya. Pagdating dito sa likod, meron din siyang print, Museum of Fine Arts Boston. And sa babaw, meron siyang authenticity seal. So, buksan natin. Ito ang sasalubong sa inyo. So, different colors, which is kind of cool. And let's just simply start with one of these box dito sa baba. And simulan muna natin sa gift, sa regalo. No? So, a cool blue box na nakasulat gift. Check lang natin na what's inside. So, mukhang gift box talaga siya, no? Kakaiba. And, panyo ang binigay sa atin, no? Natin, Indeed, it's a handkerchief-looking stuff dito. Okay, mukha lang siyang flag and wala lang, just a commemorative ng ano nito, ng Mondrian Art Edition. Mukha lang siyang panyo. Anyways, there's nothing much into it and there's some special pins dito na pwede nang gamitin, which I think pwede nang gamitin ito pag may mga occasion. Then, of course, let's just check the accessories, which is a yellow box. Opening it. Here is the quick charger nitong phone na ito. It's still the 33 watts na fast charger na meron ng regular edition. Akala ko na mas mabilis siguro to, but, well, it's just the same. And, of course, here's the Type-C cable na gagamitin natin pang transfer ng data and charging. Ito gusto natin makita. Sonic 1. Uy. Sonic 1. Ano kaya ang meaning nitong Sonic 1? Sonic boom? Okay. So, there's no clue. Aba, there's a special edition na buds. TWS buds na, Mondrian din ang edition nito. So, this is the buds na kasama dito. And kakaiba siya. Ganda ng kanyang design. And of course, syempre, babalatan din dapat yung kulay blue din sa ilalim. This is a sticker. And this is how it looks like. A Mondrian art na buds, the Tecno, inside this one. So, cool stuff na freebies. Yan. Closer look. And of course, some extra ear tips inside. So, we're down to the final one. And tingnan natin, no, what's inside. Hilahin muna natin to. Like usual, there's the SIM ejector pin, a Camon 19 na user manual, a extended warranty card, a product information, and here's the phone na gusto natin makita. Camon 19 Pro. Iba rin ang kanyang packaging for this one. Yan guys. This is the product itself. All white. Ang ganda. Pearl white ang kanyang finish. It's different from the regular edition. So, I believe that there's a jelly case here na pwede nang gamitin. Okay, so it's a translucent one. Hindi siya transparent. So, medyo nawawala yung ganda ng likod. So, might as well use it without the case. So, pasyalin ko lang kayo dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim, there's the audio jack, the microphone in, the Type-C port, and of course, kanya loudspeaker. And on one side, there's the SIM tray. I-check lang natin, no? Sa likod, it supports a micro SD card and sa harap, it supports 2 nano SIM na 4G. And sa likod ng kanyang triple camera setup na dalawang ring. And kita natin medyo kakaiba kanyang setup. May white na coating na nakapaligid sa kanya, which is definitely a different take, a different taste on this one dahil it's being made by some artists from the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston. And by the way, guys, this is being licensed by the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston. So, yeah, I believe na it's a collaboration between Tecno and this artist. So, kita natin yung mga fine line, segregating these ones. Okay? Ang ganda ng kanyang finishing. So, pearl white ang kanyang finish. Pag hindi mo pa nakikita ang kanyang special effect. So, a little later, papakita ko sa inyo. And dito sa likod, kita natin there's the print Tecno Camon OIS. And of course, on the other side, kita natin it's the fingerprint sensor / power button. And of course, ayun yung volume rocker. And sa ibabaw, kita natin is the noise cancelling mic. So guys, this is the home screen nitong Camon 19 Pro. And normally, on mga special edition, there's mga special na themes or special na home screen, lock screen, mga icons. Tingnan lang natin dito, explore na natin, probably nakatago lang siya sa loob. But I know, dapat by default, naka-unlock siya, no? So check lang natin my team. But of course, nakita natin, the Mondrian edition is here. So i-apply lang natin. I'll just show you. And this is yung kanyang special edition na wallpaper. So kita natin ang kanyang art, yung yung mga division of colors. And like nakita natin sa box natin, may blue, may yellow, may red, saka may white. Yun ang kanyang mga effects, no? And taking a look at some of these icons, some of these are specially made. Ito mga to. And not a lot, just a few. Okay, so si high browser is also different. Palm Store is also different, and just the settings. And the rest are just your regular icons. Nothing much. So check lang natin ang kanyang lock screen. So this is how it looks like. Swipe out, it's the same wallpaper. So nilabas ko itong phone na ito under the bright sunlight. So makita natin ang ganda ng kanyang effect, guys. It's really something different na makita mo just for this phone only. And of course, on a different angle, taking it indoors, di mo makikita, no? So kailangan mo talaga ng UV para makita mo ang effect dito sa phone na ito. And the only UV na mabilis mag-effect dito is sunlight. So tinry ko rin naman sa mga UV sa bahay, it is slow mag-effect dito. Ang sunlight lang talaga nakita ko na mabilis mag-react dito. So, yeah, tinry naman natin under the bright sunlight on different angles. And it really looks nice. And I love it. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang colors. But the moment na nag-step away ka from sunlight, mabilis din siya mag-fade. So, hindi siya nag-retain yung kanyang colors. It always goes back to plain white after mga 2 to 3 minutes. Wala na. Nawawala na kanyang color. It slowly fades. And probably at the peak ng sunlight, yung pinakamainit ng sunlight, yun ang pinakamagandang effect na makukuha mo sa Tecno Camon 19 Pro na Mondrian Art Edition. So yun guys, napakita ko na sa inyo ang special effect nitong Mondrian Art Edition ni Tecno Camon 19 Pro. And if you like the full review, I'll be linking up there and on the description box below. I-check nyo lang ang full review nitong phone na ito. Everything is the same except ang kanyang packaging and kanyang looks and mga sides niya, kakaiba lang din siya, no? Especially yung kanyang camera, which I definitely appreciate. Yung kanyang mga kanyang team dito, kakaiba lang siya. And of course, pag nailawan siya, ang ganda ng kanyang artwork dito sa phone na ito. Ayun, so yun guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?